Hi Datsun fans, I'm Vince Malta and this is my 72 Datsun 240Z in persimmon red, which is color code 110 with a white interior. And while it may look orange to many people, this was Datsun's red that year. Orange was color code 918 and it's a slightly lighter shade than this color. This is an early build 72 model year, built in December of 71. And from September to December of 71, they had these vertical defrost lines versus the horizontal, which I believe began in January of 72. So this is an early build 72. What I want to show you on this car is the interior, particularly the dashboard. Z-Car Garage took out my old cracked dashboard that had a cap on it and replaced it with a dash that is now made by Vintage Dashes. And it is a great reproduction dashboard. In fact, I have my old dashboard and I can refurbish that, but I don't think I am. I really like this dash. It just looks really great. The grain and everything. Shape, this looks awesome. Everything on this works. I really appreciate the careful attention that Z-Car Garage did in putting this back together. The defrost and the controls are really solid and work really well. And very proudly, even the clock now works, which is not always the case with Datsuns. Also, I want to show you under the hood what we've got. We have carburetors that really weren't running well, so had them rebuilt, and then Z-Car Garage installed them back in and made everything very smooth running. Car starts up beautifully in the morning. Just a really nice install. The engine compartment of this thing is pretty much original. You know, some of the stickers have been put on, but everything works. Even the air conditioner has been updated with a new gas, so that is operational. So I've got a really fun weekend driver, and I really enjoy seeing some Z's on the road and some Datsuns. So hope to see you out there, and I want to thank Z-Car Garage for keeping me on the road and really like the work they've done. Take care, gang.